Hey everyone, welcome to Brett's Brain. Today we're going to talk through TAM, SAM, and SOM, otherwise known as Total Addressable Market, Serviceable Addressable Market, and Serviceable Obtainable Market. These are three terms that get thrown around in the entrepreneurial community all the time. Unfortunately, I don't think most people know what the heck they mean or why they're important or how they're different. But oftentimes investors will ask entrepreneurs for their TAM or their SAM or their SOM. And so I want to break them down for you today. And to do that, we're going to walk through a couple of examples. So for now, let's pretend that you are a food safety software company. You detect pathogens, allergens, or foreign objects in food at the manufacturing level. Your TAM, I would argue, is all the money being spent on food safety across the entire food value chain. Where are people spending money? That's your TAM. Eventually, one day, you might be able to break in and disrupt the entire food safety industry. Your SAM, your serviceable addressable market, is a breakdown based on usually on a demographic, a population, a target market of the size of a company, and what your product can actually do. So in this case, we're focused on food manufacturing facilities and software. So our SAM, the serviceable addressable market, like where can we go to today, theoretically, is anybody in the food manufacturing space that wants to use software or is using software currently. How much money is being spent on that? That's your serviceable addressable market. Still probably a big number, but smaller than TAM. And finally, your SOM is more, I like to think of it as a short-term goal. What are you going to accomplish in the short run? And so that is, okay, maybe we're going to focus just on a specific allergen, which is one thing that we detect at the food manufacturing space. So we're going to go after enterprises, again, the demographic target, that really want to do detection of allergens for food safety purposes. And that becomes your SOM, what you're going after in the short run. So why are these important? Well, for me as an investor, honestly, at the beginning, it's I want to understand how you think about your business. Where do you think you're going? Big vision one day. Your TAM, what can you go after? How are you a huge company? Your TAM and your SAM help exemplify that. Your SOM helps me understand how focused are you? How well do you know your go-to-market strategy? How are you thinking about your go-to-market strategy? So like a lot of things in a pitch deck or an investor asks, asking about TAM, SAM, and SOM is as much about how you think about your business as it is what the actual numbers are. Then you combine in how big can you be one day, and they're really important metrics for you to have thoughtful answers to when an investor asks you that question. If you like this video, I'd recommend that you subscribe because we put new stuff out every week. Thanks and see you again.